Hey everyone, so today we will be braiding fabric with 4 individual pieces. I guess you kind of call it weaving too, so we'll be weaving with 4 individual pieces, and I know it's kind of hard to see because the fabric that I am using is patterned. However, I'm working on a project and I just wanted to show you guys what I was doing at the same time. So what you would need is you'll need 4 individual pieces of fabric. I cut them into strips. These strips are around 3 feet long because as you braid it will shrink, but obviously you can make them as long as you want. Next, you're going to want to stack them on top of each other and use a pin to pin them together. I pin it horizontally across the front, and then I practice doing the exact same thing on the back, and that's really to kind of stabilize it because when I'm braiding I don't want a lot of shifting going on. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and pin it to my bust form. That's just because the between the toe method isn't kind of working for me anymore. So when I pin it up here, it's easier for me to braid and probably even better on my back. Now, when you see me separate them, you're going to see that they're 4 individual pieces, and I'm going to be starting with the piece furthest to the right. The method I'll be using is the over, under, over method. The first few are a little tricky, but then after that it's smooth sailing. So you just kind of repeat the same pattern every time, over, under, over, and just continue to weave all the way down to the bottom. Definitely want to say, do not count us out. Girls with long nails, we can still braid. It may take a little bit longer, but you know we can get the job done. As you guys see, I'm about to be finished, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to braid it a little bit tighter and as neat as possible, and I'm going to use a pin to pin the 4 pieces of fabric together. With this project, I'm going to sew it across later, so the pin again is going to kind of keep it nice and flat and stable for me. And we are done. I hope you guys learned something today or just enjoyed watching it and listening to the music. And I'll see you guys next time.